Hey everyone, today we have the Apple Watch Series 4. After 5 weeks of use, I'm here to tell you that this is the best smartwatch you can buy. I'm Bricard and welcome to another review. Alright folks, first up let's go over the physical look and experience. Now you will notice the screen is bigger, it's rounder, smoother. Everything about it is simply more elegant and refined. If you have the old Series 3, you will really appreciate the difference. Now, because of how vibrant the colors are on the watch and how the icons and image are never pixelated, and the new watch faces contain more useful information because those bezels are much smaller, the watch feels complete and less clunky. For those who are new to smartwatches, I will quickly run through them. One of the new watch faces gives us so much information in a small screen that at the beginning I wouldn't believe I was able to use it. But just after a few minutes, everything feels so natural that in fact this is my favorite watch face. We still have the classic ones, but now we have several new watch faces with special effects. In general, the new Apple Watch feels like an every mainstream watch and not just a techie gadget. It evokes that feeling through it's more of a natural experience to wear. In the rear, we have the optical rate sensor, which I will get more detail later when I talk about the fitness app. A few things behind the scenes here, the Apple Watch Series 4 is wirelessly charged. It takes me a little over 2 hours from a dead battery to full. The 18 hours of battery life claimed by Apple felt grossly underestimated. In general, getting multiple notifications, calls and text messaging, I was able to use the Apple Watch by 2 days to 2 days and a half without charging it. On a heavy use, I mean running with heart rate tracking and GPS one, I have gotten 1 day and a half, all very good numbers across the board for a normal and a heavy use. The Series 4 has the latest Bluetooth 5.0, also comes with 16GB of internal storage, which is huge compared to many other premium watches. These features gives you the ability to wirelessly pair your Bluetooth headphones or earphones and listen to music right off your wrist. I paired this to my Sony XW1000 XM2 and I never had any issue. This is one of the best features because you can go out for a running or to the gym with the Apple Watch and a pair of headphones, and you can leave your phone at home. In fact, the Apple Watch gives you more freedom from your phone. Stay tuned because I'm going to review the Sony headphones in my next video. Aside from Bluetooth, Apple W3 chip is also included for crazy fast pairing with other Apple products like the EarPods or the newer Beats headphones. Apple Watch also has the water resisting rating up to 15 meters and is still using the water expulsion feature to blow out that water from the little speaker. Looking at the smartwatch conveniences for everyday life, swapping top to button shows all your notifications. Anything you get on your phone, you will see right here. Like on iPhone, the notifications are now grouped by app type. You can expand to see the individual notifications, and if you swipe to left, you can dismiss or you can quiet notifications for that application. And of course, you still get your phone calls, your calendars, email alerts and text messages right on your wrist. Now responding to messages is more intuitive than before. You can easily scribbling down your words. It's almost instant and easily recognizable even if you don't have the best handwriting. This is perfect when you want to respond silently in a movie, for example, in the theater, and so on. You can also use the voice to text, which is very accurate. The new processor on the Apple Watch Series 4 is very fast. Everyday tasks feels much more fast and responsive. Switching back and forth between apps is practically instantly. We also feel a big improvement while using the Siri. Holding down the digital crown or speaking into the watch, she responds nearly instantly to the most common questions. We must keep in mind that it's the phone that is retrieving the information. Let's see some examples. What is the weather for today?
It should be nice today, up to 13 degrees.
What is the capital of Ireland?
Dublin is the capital of Ireland.
With Series 4, Apple also gives us a big and better built-in speaker. You can take phone calls. I did some tests and both recipient and me hear everything clearly. It picks up a little background noise, but the amount is very much reasonable and Apple claims to be louder 15% than the previous version. The watch also provides turn-by-turn navigation, which is awesome. Once you start using it, the voices will come from your phone and your watch will just vibrate once you are close to a turn, which is good, but Apple could have had more options. I hope we can get more features on the future watchOS releases. The digital crown now has a haptic feedback and the dial makes these little clicks and the little audible clicks as well. It is very realistic. It's similar to the feedback you get from the touchpad on the new MacBooks. Together with the heart rate sensor in the back, the digital crown also offers the possibility to do a ECG using your fingertips. Unfortunately, this isn't available just yet in Europe. I hope someday we can get that feature to read the electrical signals and view the health of our heart. Once provided to your doctor, they can help you determine issues like blood flow, problems with your heart valves, and so on. Looking at the fitness app, now you have a decent amount of workout profiles available, covering most major activities. Using the running profile as an example, once you initiate it, you have duration, your average pace, heart rate and distance. If you swipe to left, you have access to the music player, and if you swipe to the right, you can pause or you can end your activity. On health department, we also have an app that reminds us to take a break and move around. as well as a breathing app to help you reducing stress. To end, I just want to mention that on the iPhone you can install and customize the watch faces and you can set all the available settings. There is a dedicated app store for your watch where you can find almost everything you want. Out of the box, Apple Watch already comes with some useful apps like the app to control other devices. I use this one for control my Apple TV, for example. You also have the activity app, timers, alarms, heart rates, music, and so on. Well, to conclude, the Apple Watch is amazing. It has so much to offer, it provides so much data that everyone from a geeky to a common person can really appreciate. It is an extension of your phone and an extension of your life. I leave a link in the description for whoever is interested. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment below with your opinion about the new Apple Watch. This is Bricard and I will see you in my next video.